How to restrict some information on Monday.com from others in the Write and Update section. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board and navigate to an Items Update section, where team members leave comments or updates. 2. Click on the 3-dot menu next to an update and select Restrict Access to limit who can view or edit the content. 3. If you want to restrict access board-wide, go to Board Permissions in Settings and set limitations for specific team members or guest users. 4. Use private boards for sensitive projects, ensuring that only invited team members can see updates and contribute. 5. Set role-based permissions to control who can edit, comment, or view updates based on their assigned role in the project. 6. Enable guest access restrictions to ensure external users only see the information necessary for their role without accessing confidential details. 7. Test the restrictions by switching to different user roles or asking a colleague to verify whether they can access restricted updates.